Hey guys, I'm trying to create, I guess what I'll call a double filter. So my website is or application is this is for subcontractors in the construction industry, and there's two kind of fields that I'll show you real quickly. Um, Number one, there is projects, and each project has a bid within it. So what I want to do is for the subcontractor user to calculate all the projects he's currently bidding and what is the potential value of all of those bids. So if you go over here, I have projects, and these are the three active projects, and these are the three bids that they just did. Now, they should be filtered out based on the stage, right? So what I'm trying to do is say if they're bidding, then calculate this value of 55,000. And I'm trying to bid, the two constraints essentially are within the bid, if it's done by that company, that would be the first constraint. And then the secondary constraint would be if the project is what stage, if it is currently bidding. So for this example, he has one that's one project, he's one that's lost, and then one that is currently bidding. So the only one that should be calculating within these bids is test number one, which is right here, 55,000. Now, when I have it over here, it's calculating all three of them somehow. So it's picking all of them up. And I wanted to show you kind of how I did it. So what I did is the first thing is I'm doing well, you get back up here. So you're searching for bids, and the bid is by current user's company, which makes sense. So in the database, you'll have bids, current user's company, and those are the three prices that they've put together. Now the second piece of that constraint would be for the actual project and what stage it's in. So right now there only should be one bidding. So over here, I don't know if I'm doing this right. So the first constraint is search for bids by the user's company, and then I tried to filter it, and again, I have no idea if this is right, but advanced, and then I search for projects, and then the stage contains bidding, and then I just sum them up, formatted, whatever. Now, for whatever reason, I'm getting everything is okay here, but when you actually calculate it, it's not calculating correctly. So it's the secondary. It's up. Obviously, the first constraint is working because it's picking up all of them, and then I'm trying to filter it down. Search for projects. Stage contains bidding, but when you go back over the database, I only have one project that's a stage of bidding, but again, it's calculating all three of these. So how do you create, if you have one item or one thing, and then you want to filter down to another thing, so essentially you have two of them combined. If anybody could help me, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you.